The Chevrolet D20 is a name that brings back memories of one of Chevrolet's toughest and most dependable pickup trucks. Now imagine that legendary badge making a comeback for 2027 with modern technology, rugged capability, and premium comfort. If Chevrolet decides to revive the D20, it could become one of the most exciting heavy-duty pickups in the market, blending classic styling with today's advanced engineering. The first thing that stands out is the truck's commanding presence. The front end features a bold grille with an illuminated Chevrolet bowtie emblem, flanked by slim LED daytime running lights and powerful matrix LED headlights. The hood is sculpted with muscular character lines, giving the truck an aggressive yet refined appearance. A redesigned front bumper includes integrated tow hooks, skid plates, and functional air vents that improve cooling and aerodynamics. Moving to the side, the 2027 Chevrolet D20 has a strong profile with pronounced wheel arches and a high beltline that emphasizes its heavy-duty nature. Large alloy wheels ranging from 18 to 22 inches are available depending on the trim level, wrapped in all-terrain tires that provide confidence both on and off the road. Chrome accents are available on luxury trims, while blacked-out details create a sportier appearance for off-road versions. At the rear, LED taillights feature a modern lighting signature, while the tailgate includes multiple functions such as integrated steps, power opening, and a built-in work surface. The cargo bed is designed with durability in mind, featuring spray and bed liner protection, multiple tie-down points, LED cargo lighting, and an available multifunction tailgate that makes loading and unloading easier. Inside the cabin, Chevrolet transforms the D20 into a premium workspace. High-quality materials cover the dashboard, doors, and seats, while soft-touch surfaces and real aluminum or wood trim create an upscale environment. Buyers can choose from durable cloth upholstery for work-focused models or premium leather seating with heating, ventilation, and massage functions for higher trims. The dashboard is dominated by a massive 17-inch touchscreen infotainment display paired with a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster. Chevrolet's latest operating system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, cloud-based navigation, voice recognition, and over-the-air software updates. Drivers can also enjoy a premium Bose sound system, wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot. Practicality remains one of the D20's strongest features. The spacious crew cab provides generous legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. Rear seats fold flat to reveal hidden storage compartments, while additional under-seat storage keeps valuable tools and equipment secure. Large door pockets, a spacious center console, and configurable storage bins make everyday use more convenient. Under the hood, Chevrolet could offer multiple powertrain options to satisfy different buyers. The base engine may be a turbocharged 2.7-liter four-cylinder producing around 325 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque. This engine would offer impressive efficiency while maintaining excellent towing capability. For buyers needing more power, Chevrolet could introduce a naturally aspirated 6.2-liter V8 delivering approximately 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. This legendary V8 would provide smooth acceleration, a distinctive exhaust note, and outstanding reliability for both work and recreation. A diesel option would likely remain popular among heavy-duty truck buyers. A revised 3.0-liter Duramax turbo diesel inline-six could produce around 310 horsepower and an impressive 500 pound-feet of torque. This engine would excel in towing large trailers while maintaining excellent fuel economy during highway driving. The biggest surprise could be a hybrid version combining a V8 engine with an electric motor. This setup could generate nearly 500 horsepower while improving fuel efficiency and providing instant electric torque for towing in off-road situations. Every engine would likely be paired with a refined 10-speed automatic transmission that shifts smoothly and responds quickly under varying driving conditions. Four-wheel drive would be available across most trims, featuring multiple terrain modes for snow, mud, sand, and rock crawling. Performance is expected to be one of the truck's strongest selling points. Acceleration would be impressive for such a large vehicle, while advanced suspension tuning helps maintain stability even when carrying heavy loads. Adaptive dampers and air suspension on premium models would further improve ride comfort and handling. The D20's towing capability could reach approximately 14,000 pounds when properly equipped, with a maximum payload exceeding 3,000 pounds. Advanced trailer technology would include trailer sway control, multiple camera views, trailer tire pressure monitoring, and a transparent trailer view that allows drivers to virtually see through their trailers while driving. Off-road capability would be equally impressive. Models equipped with the ZR2 package could feature locking front and rear differentials, Multimatic DSSV dampers, increased ground clearance, steel skid plates, and aggressive all-terrain tires. Hill descent control, off-road cruise control, and selectable drive modes would make difficult terrain much easier to navigate. Fuel economy would naturally vary depending on the chosen engine. The turbocharged 4-cylinder could achieve around 22 miles per gallon combined, while the diesel might deliver close to 28 miles per gallon on the highway. The V8 would prioritize power over efficiency, likely averaging around 18 miles per gallon combined. Technology plays a major role throughout the truck. Chevrolet could equip the D20 with its latest Super Cruise hands-free driving system for compatible highways. Drivers would also benefit from adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot monitoring with trailer coverage, rear cross-traffic braking, automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, traffic sign recognition, and a 360-degree surround view camera. Additional convenience features could include remote engine start, digital key functionality through a smartphone, power deployable running boards, panoramic sunroof, dual-zone climate control, head-up display, customizable ambient lighting, and multiple household-style power outlets in both the cabin and cargo bed. Durability remains at the heart of the D20's identity. A high-strength steel frame combined with lightweight aluminum body panels helps maximize strength while reducing overall weight. Extensive corrosion protection ensures the truck can withstand harsh weather conditions for years. Customization would be another major advantage. Buyers could choose regular cab, double cab, or crew cab configurations, along with short or long cargo beds. Numerous factory accessories such as bed covers, roof racks, toolboxes, winches, light bars, towing equipment, and performance upgrades would allow owners to personalize their trucks for work or adventure. Safety is another area where the D20 would excel. Chevrolet's comprehensive safety package could include 10 airbags, advanced crash protection, trailer-specific safety systems, driver attention monitoring, automatic parking assistance, rear pedestrian alerts, and emergency braking that functions both forward and in reverse. Comfort during long drives is significantly improved thanks to enhanced cabin insulation that reduces wind and road noise. Acoustic glass, active noise cancellation, and improved suspension tuning help create a quieter environment, making the truck feel more like a luxury SUV than a traditional work vehicle. The estimated starting price for the 2027 Chevrolet D20 in the United States would likely begin around $48,000 for the base work truck model. Mid-level LT and RST trims could range from $58,000 to $68,000, while premium high country and off-road ZR2 versions could exceed $80,000 depending on options and equipment. Overall, the 2027 Chevrolet D20 represents what a modern revival of a legendary pickup could become. It combines bold styling, impressive towing capability, powerful engine choices, advanced technology, luxurious comfort, and serious off-road performance into one versatile package. Whether used as a dependable work truck, a family adventure vehicle, or a premium daily driver, the D20 has the potential to appeal to a wide range of buyers. If Chevrolet ever decides to bring this iconic nameplate back, it could easily become one of the most desirable pickup trucks on American roads.